So preparation of alkenes can be done by four various methods. First method out of them is simple from alkynes. As you know, alkyne is C triple bond C. So to obtain alkene from alkyne, we should use addition of hydrogen. So this is C triple bond C. For example, here one more R and one R is here. We can take R and R dash. And friends, this is common formula of alkyne. In alkyne, friends, when we add hydrogen in presence of pelletized charcoal. C is for carbon, it is charcoal. From charcoal we can obtain carbon, and pelletized or palladium is metal. So pelletized charcoal is taken, which is also known as Lindlar's catalyst. So this is the reaction of to obtain alkene by using Lindlar's catalyst. Two hydrogen atoms are here. Each hydrogen, one hydrogen to each carbon will be added. This is R, C, triple bond will be converted into double bond, one hydrogen and one. These two hydrogens are added here. And friends, this is alkene we obtain. Alkenes can be obtained either cis or trans. As you learnt the isomerism, especially for Lindlar's reagent or catalyst, we obtain the cis alkene. The structure of cis alkene is C double bond C, R dash and R, H and H. This is called cis. If this hydrogen will move upward, in that case cross hydrogens are same, and that's why it is trans. But here we obtain the cis isomer. But friends, if we want to obtain the trans isomer, in that case, instead of friends palladium, we have to use the another catalyst to add hydrogen, which is sodium and liquid ammonia. Liquid ammonia and sodium are used as catalyst. In that case, friends, this will be breakdown triple bond into double. This R and R dash will be arranged like this, and hydrogen atoms will be added to the opposite pole of two carbons, and that's why this is called trans alkene. So cis and trans, two different products we can obtain by using different catalysts. So this is very important, friends, preparation of alkene. Now let's consider the simplest examples, which is ethyne, two carbon added with hydrogen. Here we can put palladium and carbon. Here no cis, no trans, because isomerism is not possible here. This is C, H, C, H, 1, 2. As you can see, all four hydrogen atoms are here. It is not giving us the cis or trans isomers. So this is CH2, double bond, CH2, called ethene. So ethyne to ethene can be obtained by this reaction and preparation of alkene. Same to same, friends. This is propyne. Hydrogen is added once again, commonly pelletized charcoal. We will obtain this CH3C. Triple bond will be break down to double friends. Here we need one space, hydrogen will be added, another hydrogen will be added to the last carbon, and we will obtain propene. In propene, always it is only one, and that's why no propine, one propene or prop 2 in are not separated. That's why you have to write just propene there. So these are the examples of preparation of alkene from alkyne. It is also known as addition of hydrogen. Two hydrogen atoms are added to two carbons which are having triple bond between them, and one bond will be less, and we will obtain, friends, the alkene product. Our next reaction is, next preparation is number 2. This is number 1, friends. Number 2 is alkyl halide to alkene. In this type of reaction, alkyl halide alkyl halide is commonly known as RX, and we will obtain alkene. So this reaction is very special. This is called beta elimination reaction. Why it is called beta elimination or dehydrohalogenation? Let's learn. First of all, the reactant we are using is, for example, chloroethane. This is CH3, CH2, Cl. So chloroethane is the is the reactant we have used. From, friends, halogen containing carbon here is called alpha carbon. Halogen containing carbon is called alpha carbon, and its neighbor carbon is called beta carbon. It is very important. Alpha carbon is halogen containing carbon, so this carbon is alpha, and this is its neighbor, beta carbon. In this reaction, we use alcoholic KOH as catalyst in presence of little warm heat. Alcoholic KOH, that is potassium hydroxide. And friends, what happened in the reaction? From alpha carbon, one halogen will be removed. So this is to be removed, and from beta carbon, one hydrogen. So any hydrogen you can consider out of these three. For example, this will go with X. X means here chlorine is taken, and this is H and Cl. So HCl will be removed, friends. What is left? You can see C, C, two hydrogens are here, and two hydrogens are here, friends. Double bond will be formed here. So this is ethene, and here you have to write there will be a double bond between alpha and beta carbon. Then, friends, we obtain the product alkene. So alkane to alkene. This is called beta elimination reaction, or it is dehydrohalogenation. D means removal. Hydro, D means removal. Here D, hydro is for hydrogen, and halo for halogen. So removal of HX, removal of H and X. X is maybe chlorine, bromine, or iodine. Right? So here chlorine is taken as an example. You can consider bromine or iodine. Fluorine is not there, but bromine and iodine can be taken. This is called beta elimination reaction, or we can say it is the preparation of alkene. Okay, friends.